Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In-Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm doing some record unboxings. This is for Record Store Day, September 26, drop number 2, 2020. Britney Spears, Oops, I Did It Again. This is for the remixes and rarities. Limited edition on baby blue vinyl. All this stuff can be purchased online at our website at www.theingroove.com starting at 1 o'clock Eastern Time. That's Saturday. Normally I just do unboxings for titles that I'm looking forward to myself, but I got a lot of requests for this one.
Sure.
So let's do it. Let's open Britney Spears, Oops, I Did It Again, and see what we're getting here. Yep. Polylined, nope, just paper inner. Oh, you can hear the record scratching as you pull it out of the jacket. This is why we use polyline sleeves, Mr. Manufacturer, because, oh my God, that was difficult. Well, the record is flat, and it looks to be free from scratching. Super cool looking vinyl. Yeah, no fill. I'll play it in the store. We'll give it a spin tomorrow. See what it sounds like. Yeah, Britney Spears, Record Store Day 2020. Swing!